subscribers, and we're not even at 100 yet, because like this dog food on our channel gets monetized. We'll be helping other, dogs. And if you follow my channel, you see my love for dog. He and his besties, he and his, well, you got enemies on the block too, like Jasper now. Yeah, Jasper. Yeah, Jasper. Always, you check the video for Jasper. Jasper is a mean dog. He don't like Kingston. And then there's another one down the block, that the old lady, the white couple. They're lovely people, like they retired, but they have a little block. Black dog, etc. is on there. I don't remember his name. I'm gonna have to ask though. But whenever he sees Kingston, he goes ape shito. He goes ape shito. And attack him. And Kingston just holds his ground. It's on there. You want to see the video? Kingston just stands up and holds his ground and says, "Look, Jasper, the sidewalk ain't your turf." You know what I mean? That's why I want to pierce, and that's it. What you gonna do? Run up. And you'd be surprised to see what Jasper does, but clean play, that's his water. And he gonna drink and then eat. Like I said, please just subscribe and leave a comment and a like, because it's helped the video. We're going through 1,000. We were 87 subscribers, but what we want to do, is try to help other needy animals. We're gonna donate that to the shelter and whatever else we can. I wish I had a bigger yard, because I would take in a lot of dogs, but obviously I can't, because neighbors and the barking and the this and that. You gotta be respectful of your neighbors. But I just love dog. He's my best friend, and we take care of him like we love him like nobody business. When he's gone to the doctor, like my wife takes him to the doctor, that's her part. And I walk him every day and do the daily upkeep of his medical, his doctor visits, so we tag team him, and I love when he eats. Make this play, play the ball. Good doggy boy, and then you reward it. Good doggy, good doggy, good doggy. Please just subscribe.